Hey everybody, there's a tradition that I've been doing for a long time, and it happens just before we go on winter break. Many students have been involved in creating this, as well as other professors and teachers that I've known. This is a set of what I like to call my physics carols. But over the years I've also taught other sciences as well, so I might sneak in another science in there too, just for fun. But I thought I'd start things out today with a little physics carol that I call Gravity. Gravity. And once you catch it, feel free to sing along if you'd like to. It goes a little something like this. When something hits the earth, you'll notice in a thrice, it makes a great big bang. Now isn't that so nice? So what makes things fall down? What makes them go kerplop? This answer's in my song, my friend, we'll sing it till we drop. Us on the ground. It was explained by Newton that scientists renowned. Oh, gravity, gravity, mass times 9.8. It is a vector pointing down that's sometimes known as weight. Seems pretty easy, right? Second verse, here we go. Walk around the earth and keep a steady pace. If gravity weren't there, we'd float off into space. Now some call it a push, call it any name, but gravity will always pull. Attraction is its game. Oh, gravity, gravity keeps us on the ground. It was explained by Newton that scientists renowned. Oh, gravity, gravity, mass times 9.8. It is a vector pointing down that's sometimes known as weight. Oh yes, it is a vector pointing down that's sometimes known as weight. There you have it. A little gravity. I'm going to see if I can keep recording. Maybe not break it up a little bit. But we'll see. Alright, so this next one is extremely 2020. And I apologize for it because, you know, it's right here and right now. So if it's too close to home, I hope that this can lift your spirits a little bit just by how ridiculous it is. But here it is. A little 2020 COVID. You better watch out. You better not sneeze. You better not cough, 'cause you'll spread the disease. Viruses are coming to town. They have many shapes and sizes as well, but they don't come alive till you enter the cell. Viruses are coming to town. Their protein coat surrounds the core of our DNA. They're so minute, there's not much more about them you can say. Hey! They're hard to avoid, though people have tried. It's too late now, there's nowhere to hide. Viruses are coming to town. Ridiculous, right? Kind of fun, though. Alright. This one is my favorite just because it's so sweet. And so a nice, gentle song for your listening pleasure today. Here it is. It's called Physics Wonder Lab. Marbles drop, they're in motion. Why they fall, not a notion. But thanks to Newton, it's all lots of fun. Learning in a physics wonderland. Gone away is the chemistry. Here to stay is the mystery. Dynamics at play and knowledge will stay. Learning in a physics wonderland. In the lab room we can build a ramp. Rolling balls that move by gravity. Accelerating masses, we can time them and find their vertical velocity. Later on we will rewrite to keep our grades from dropping out of sight. To face unafraid, oh, those grades that we made, learning in a physics wonderland. To face unafraid, those grades that we made, learning in a physics wonderland. See, sweet, right? It's kind of nifty. All right, now I apologize for this one. It might get you out of a jam someday, so just to keep an eye on it, just in case you need it, you might keep this in your back pocket. But it does have a little bit of a dark side to this one, so if you're worried about some death and dismemberment, maybe you want to shut it off for a while and not hear it. But it's called To the Judge, so could be helpful, could be dangerous. Here it goes, To the Judge. Through the snow in a four-door Chevrolet, over the curb we go, sliding all the way, honking at the boy who is on the sled. Will an icy crash we sing, complete with flattened head. Oh, to the judge, to the judge, to the judge we'll say, inertia is the property which kept us on our way. Oh, to the judge, to the judge, to the judge we'll say, it's not our fault to blame Newton's law, they made us go that way. Oh yes, it's not our fault, blame Newton's law, they made us go that way. See, it could come in handy if you ever need it. Now, let's see here, let's find a one that's not quite so long. I'll play the end of this song just for fun, because the song itself is long. So I'm just going to play the kind of the last verse of this one just for fun, and we'll see how it goes. And I'll see if my voice can handle it at night. Usually, if I sing this in the morning, it's a little better, but I'm recording this at night. So here it goes. Now, as I said, it's the last verse only. This is the 12 days of Newton. So last verse only. On the 12th day of Newton, my Sir Isaac gave to me 12 particles of light, 11 speeds of sound, 10 Z components, 9.8, 8 minutes of glory, money, 7 spectral colors, 6.675 pendulum swings, 4 apples falling, 3 laws of motion, 2 balanced forces, and acceleration due to gravity. See, that song could be like hours long, but there you go. It's a little better. All right, last one, I think. Oh, no. Yeah, we'll finish. Let's finish with this one right here. All right, here we go. Maybe 2 more, just because I love them. We'll do a little Frosty the Photon, because you can't go wrong with Frosty the Photon. And then we'll end with a sweet little song. Maybe a little sad song at the end. Just because it's the end. And sometimes it feels like that. Alright, here it goes. Frosty the Photon. Frosty the Photon was quite a quantum sight, with zero mass and endless life and a speed approaching light. There must have been some magic in that physics lab one year, for when they studied X-ray beams, old Frosty did appear. Oh, Frosty the Photon says he knows he's not that large, but they said one day if he comes this way, he will give us all a charge. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, moving fast as light. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, Frosty's out of sight. Try it with me. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, moving fast as light. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, Frosty's out of sight. One more time now. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, moving All right, last one. I promise you. Here it is. This is, what class is this? Because, you know, what class is this? I'll see if I can do it without a capo. It'll be exciting. Oh, no, let's not. That would be ridiculous. Let's do it down here. That's better. What class is this? What class is this who tries their best on homework causing such weeping, whom teachers greet with tests unsweet, that students cringe at taking? This is physics, the class of mass accelerating. Haste to bring them love, the students, the class of All right, everybody. I hope you have an amazing winter break and that you're able to enjoy your time, get some rest, get some relaxation, and rejuvenate yourself so that you can come back afterwards and then we get to sing some songs together. Who knows? Maybe in the string we'll write some haiku together or something. Maybe I'll tuck in one more so that we don't end up with a sad ending, right? This is called Deck the Physics Lab. Deck the physics lab with vectors, fa la 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 la, and with tennis ball projectors, fa la 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 la. Let us have a celebration, fa la 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 la, full of song and jubilation, fa la 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 la. Deck the physics lab, deck the lab, and be of good cheer, fa la 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 la. No more physics classes this year. Fa la 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 la. One answer is left unknown. Fa la 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 la. Do physics carols make you groan? Fa la 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 la. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.